2008 Winnebago Outlook 31C for sale in Edmonton, Alberta Canada T6M0B7 Spread your wings and fly with this 2008 Winnebago Outlook 31C. This Class C motorhome is 31.42 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Triton V-10 Gasoline engine matted with automatic transmission. This RV has one slide-out, one power awning with wind sensor, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 8 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a leveling system, captain's chairs. With only 65,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Winnebago will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2008 Winnebago Outlook 31C is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on a campsite. Highlights of these features include, solid wood CabinetsCorian countertops, 3-burner stove/oven microwave oven refrigerator double kitchen SinkDinette with booth-style SeatingTelevisionSurround SoundDVD/CD/StereoSofa, SleeperOver head sleeper stand-up shower walk-around master queen-size bed storage dresser, lots of large outside storage roof and dash AirPower WindowsCruise control power locks and so much more. This 2008 Winnebago Outlook 31C is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Winnebago Outlook 31C is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class C 2008 Winnebago Outlook 31C.